What was that? Something just ran across the ground of the... Is this the ocean floor? Is this the ocean floor? Something just ran from over there to over here. I think I'm going to order those little camera glasses, but I don't want the imprint on my nostrils. I think I'm going to order them, but do understand that I respect people's privacies as I would have my privacy respected as well. So I'm going to order these glasses with the camera attached to them, but please do understand that I respect people's privacy. Thank you and have a great day.